like, babe, this is the video you've been waiting for. It is your sneak peek to the fall 2022 catalog. Make sure you subscribe. Check out this fall playlist. I'm going to look up below and down below so you can check out all the goods, so you can shop the catalog and get ready. And the best part is, if you love and everything, come in, join the fun, become a consultant. I'd be honored to show you the way. So let's get to all the fun. New product alert. Oh my gosh, this is like a ruby mini, but it's expandable. It does have the D-ring. I love it. I think this is a good wristlet, honestly. I like that print. New print. New product alert. It comes in several different colors. I feel like this is a Cindy tote meets like a, I don't even know, a quilted tote. All right, so I love cinch pocket right here. Then you have the jewel pockets on the outside. You have your little cell phone pocket right here. But check this out, there's so many clasps to it. This is for obviously if you want to do a crossbody. Then you have one for your keys right here. Cinchable, just like the Cindy tote, okay? So you have a choice of keeping it open it or keeping it closed. On the inside, you do have that sleeve for your laptop right there. Then if you flip it over, you have the two cinched pockets and then a large sleeve right here. Here's the crossbody, as I mentioned, right in the pocket as usual. So this looks like, maybe it's the new Cindy tote. Again, product reveal is tomorrow. Is this going to be the new Cindy tote, Susie? Or it's just an up-level? It's just an up-level tote. Up-level tote. Yeah. Oh, I even checked out the handles. Yeah, it's so like double. You got the pinched handle. Pinched handle. Still have your cell phone pocket in the back. Yes. Signature. Yes. And I love how you can zip it up, or if you want to keep it open.
Yeah, it's the same silhouette as the Cindy tote.
Yes.
It's just elevated details. So between the fabric, yes, you're getting that puffer, you're hitting that puffer
yes,
trend.
I love that. The black, oh my gosh. And
I know.
So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget Bag Babe TV every Saturday, and if you want more, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big like, and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.